Here are the 4 benefits to battery storage. So the first benefit is the ability to store all of the excess solar that you create into a battery. So before, when systems were installed with no batteries, any excess energy was going back to the grid. So of course, taking away that energy independence factor. But now with a battery, you can actually harness any excess energy into here and then use it in the home whenever you need it. Another feature of the batteries is you can actually buy cheaper electricity overnight, what we call off-peak tariffs, and you can store them in the batteries so that when you wake up in the morning, you'll have a nice full battery ready to use. As we all know, energy tariffs can vary, but on a day tariff, you'd be expected to pay anything between 23 to 30 pence, 36 pence a kilowatt. On an evening tariff, it could be anything as cheap as 10 pence to 15 pence a kilowatt. So the idea is you can actually charge up your batteries overnight on that cheaper rate and then use electricity in the day when you need it. Well, another option with that also is that you can actually then start to sell that back to the grid and make even more savings in that way. So you get paid for the excess energy that you're generating for free, but sending it back to the grid. So essentially that means that you're buying the electricity at a cheaper rate, but selling it back at a higher rate. As we all know, power cuts can be few and far between, but there are options where you can actually install gateway on a system. And basically that means is it allows you to have a backup electricity in the event of a power cut. So it's one of those things where it's if or when, or as we don't know, but it's nice sort of insurance to have something like that on your system to ensure that you've got electricity in your house in the event of a power cut. As we know, this industry is full of terms and words and terminologies. So if you really want an honest opinion of how we can help, click on the link below, get in contact with us, fill out the contact information, and we'll give you that advice, no problem.